What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Benny's Kitchen. Today we're going to start off real quick putting some water in this pot. We're going to add some salt. Then we're going to squeeze some lemon in it. And then we're going to add some bay leaves in it. Now we're going to put this water on the heat.
Now the shrimp you want to use is these tiger striped shrimp. The size, you're going to see it on the bag, it says 13 to 15. That means that you get 13 to 15 of these shrimps per pound. Now these came in already deveined. Oh, they say deveined, but you know, little secret over here, it's not really a vein. It's more like a gut. So what you see when you see the vein, quote unquote, in here is actually the gut full of poop. So yeah, you want to take that out. But these are beautiful. Look at that. And we're gonna let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're gonna transfer these into some iced water. Stop the cooking process.
Now for the sauce. Super easy. About a quarter cup of ketchup. Squeeze that bad boy in here. We're gonna use a little bit of lemon juice. Now we're gonna add about a teaspoon of horseradish. Like a Hellcat. And a little bit of sea salt. And there you got it. Let's mix it in. And by all means, stick your finger in there and let's taste it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. See you next time.